Hello my people. How are you doing? My people? Welcome to another video. This is Duko Original. I'm from Makueni, and I'm doing this video in Makueni. I am in Makueni, my people, and this is around noon when I'm taking this video. My people, I'm happy to be here. I came to say hi to my people. This is tea, my people. This is tea. In fact, I'm fond of tea. I like tea. I really like tea. Anybody who likes tea like me? In fact, I like tea. I don't know. I can take tea anytime. Yani, I really like tea. Anyway, my people, I want to tell you that I'm almost vacating the place. I've been here since last week, and now it's time. I have to go elsewhere because nowadays I feel like I'm local tourist, and that's what I want to tell you. Maybe tomorrow I'm vacating from this place. It has been a good journey. I've been with my people. I'm happy to see my mom. I'm happy to see everybody here. But you know, with the job, I'm not allowed to stay here for long. I've fallen in love with this place because it's my home place. It's a place where I'm born, but with the time, I'll be coming back. My people. So my time is now coming to an end, and my people, we'll be going with you to another destination. So my people, bye. Keep on watching, subscribing, like and comment, share, my people. Let's move together. You subscribe. I subscribe to you, to your video, to your YouTube too. Let us boost ourselves together, and God is going to help us go far. So my people, bye.